When politics meets heavy machinery, sparks are bound to fly. Today, we're diving into the heated exchange involving Prime Minister Modi's bulldozer remark. His words have ignited a firestorm of controversy, with opposition leaders and the public grappling with the implications. Buckle up, because we're about to unpack this political hot potato and see what's really fueling the fire. Picture this: a packed parliament, tension hanging thick in the air. Prime Minister Modi, known for his powerful speeches, uses an analogy that sends shockwaves through the nation. He compares his governing style to a bulldozer, ready to clear any obstacles in its path. Opposition leader Kharge doesn't hold back. He fires back, accusing Modi of undermining democratic principles and demanding an apology for the inflammatory remark. Kharge's response throws fuel on the fire, escalating the war of words between the two political heavyweights. The bulldozer analogy has exposed deep political fault lines. Modi's supporters applaud his strong leadership, while critics see it as a threat to democratic values. The remark becomes a rallying cry for both sides, further polarizing the political landscape. The media is abuzz with analysis and debate, dissecting the implications of Modi's words. Social media explodes with opinions, with hashtags like #BulldozerPolitics trending nationwide. The public is divided, engaging in passionate discussions about the future of Indian democracy. The bulldozer remark has cast a long shadow, leaving many wondering about its long-term impact. Will it embolden Modi's supporters or alienate moderate voters? The political landscape remains uncertain as the nation grapples with the implications of this controversial analogy. Modi's bulldozer analogy has shaken up the political scene, sparking intense debate and raising questions about the future of Indian politics. It's a stark reminder of the power of words and the delicate balance between strong leadership and democratic values. What do you think about this political strategy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful political analysis.